Welcome back, guys. Today we're checking out some crazy Amazon kitchen gadgets you never knew existed. From mind-blowing cooking tools to genius time savers, these gadgets will change the way you use your kitchen. As always, links to all the products are in the description down below. Now let's begin. For those who love to cook but want extra safety in the kitchen, these stainless steel finger guards provide reliable protection while cutting, slicing, and chopping. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, they are designed to fit comfortably over the fingers, reducing the risk of accidental cuts. The sleek design allows for precision without interfering with knife control, making them a practical tool for both beginner and experienced chefs. Packaged in a gift box, they also make a thoughtful present for cooking enthusiasts. If you go through a lot of rice or grains, this large capacity rice dispenser is a must-have for your pantry. It holds up to 25 pounds or 11.3 kilograms of dry food and keeps it sealed and moisture-proof so your rice stays fresh longer. The included measuring cup makes portioning super easy, and the clear front lets you keep an eye on how much is left. It's BPA-free and designed to make your kitchen more organized without taking up too much space. Making homemade dumplings can be a time-consuming process, but this electric dumpling maker simplifies the task with its rapid forming mold. Designed for ease of use, it allows for quick and consistent dumpling shaping, helping to create perfectly sealed dumplings in no time. With adjustable settings, it is versatile enough for different types of pastry making it a useful tool for anyone who enjoys cooking at home. Whether preparing dumplings for family dinner or experimenting with new recipes, this kitchen gadget helps streamline the process. Designed for efficiency, this automatic sink glass rinser provides a powerful, high-pressure water stream to thoroughly clean cups, mugs, and glasses in seconds, making it an essential addition for anyone who frequently washes glassware. Its stainless steel construction with a spot-free finish ensures durability and a sleek look, while the included drying mat helps keep countertops dry by absorbing excess moisture efficiently. Ideal for home kitchens, bars, and coffee stations, this rinser makes post-meal cleanup easier and more effective, especially for hard-to-reach spots inside narrow glassware and tall cups. This 17-piece non-stick cookware set is built for everyday convenience and works especially well for small kitchens or RVs. The detachable handles let you stack everything neatly and use pots and pans in the oven without worry. Each piece is coated with a healthy non-stick surface that's free of PFOA and easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher. The set works on all cooktops, including induction, and the quick-release handles feel solid and secure. It's versatile, space-saving, and surprisingly durable for the price. This 4-in-1 colander with bowl set is a true game changer for any kitchen. It's designed to make your food prep easier, offering a rotatable strainer feature that's perfect for rinsing fruits, vegetables, or even cleaning beans. The design is both functional and visually appealing, adding a touch of style to your kitchen. Whether you need it for washing produce or just as a sleek way to organize ingredients, it's an essential gadget. Plus, it's a fun gift for anyone who enjoys adding a little flair to their kitchen essentials. This bamboo silverware organizer is a must-have for anyone looking to keep their kitchen drawers neat and tidy. It features 7 slots with well-designed grooved dividers to keep flatware separated and organized. The bamboo construction adds a natural, eco-friendly touch, and the expandable design fits most drawer sizes. Not only is it practical, but it also elevates the overall aesthetic of your kitchen. It's the perfect solution for organizing your utensils in style and keeping everything easily accessible. Perfect for organizing seasonings, this pull-down spice rack offers a practical solution for kitchen cabinet and pantry storage, helping keep everything in one place. Designed to hold up to 24 spice bottles, it features adjustable dividers for a customizable fit, allowing users to arrange their spices exactly how they like. The pull-down function allows for easy access to spices, making cooking more efficient, and the included labels help maintain an organized, easy-to-navigate kitchen space without the hassle of searching for ingredients. If you struggle with opening jars due to weak hands or arthritis, this jar opener is a lifesaver. Designed with seniors in mind, it offers a simple, ergonomic grip that makes twisting open even the most stubborn jar lids a breeze. The handle provides a firm hold, reducing strain on your wrists, while the opener's sturdy design ensures you won't have to deal with frustratingly tight lids anymore. This is a thoughtful tool for anyone who needs a little extra help in the kitchen, making it an invaluable addition for ease and convenience. This spice carousel offers a convenient way to store and measure spices with a simple twist, ensuring precise seasoning without the mess. Designed for efficiency, it features an auto measure function that dispenses a precise amount of seasoning every time, eliminating the need for measuring spoons. The compact rotating design helps maximize storage space while keeping frequently used spices within easy reach, making meal prep faster and more convenient for home cooks and professionals alike. Take hands-free cooking to the next level with this automatic pot stirrer. Perfect for soups, sauces, and stews, it self-adjusts to different pot sizes and stirs at variable speeds to prevent sticking and burning. The cordless design makes it easy to use anywhere, and the rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're multitasking in the kitchen or just want to avoid constant stirring, this tool is a convenient way to keep your dishes evenly mixed and perfectly cooked. The 2-in-1 Mini Bag Sealer is a surprisingly handy gadget to have around. It combines a heat sealer and a cutter into one compact device, making it easy to reseal snack bags and cut through packaging with no hassle. The included lanyard makes it convenient to hang up or carry, and it's small enough to store in any drawer. It's especially useful for keeping chips, candies, or any opened food bags fresh and sealed tight without needing clips or containers. This silicone utensil rest is a simple but smart addition to your kitchen counter. It holds multiple utensils at once and catches drips, keeping your stove or counter clean while you cook. The heat-resistant, BPA-free material is sturdy and easy to clean, and its design helps prevent messy mixing spoons and spatulas from cluttering your workspace. It's one of those little things that quietly makes your cooking routine neater and smoother. This magnetic knife holder strip offers a sleek and space-saving solution for storing your cutlery. Its strong magnetic surface firmly holds knives and metal utensils, clearing up drawer space while keeping your tools in easy reach. It works great in kitchens with limited counter space and doubles as a minimal modern storage piece. The installation is simple and it holds up well even with heavy knives, making it a solid upgrade for a clutter-free kitchen. The slim rolling storage cart is a practical and versatile organizer for tight spaces. Whether you slide it between the fridge and wall or in a bathroom corner, it offers 4 tiers of accessible storage that's surprisingly spacious. It rolls easily and has side hooks for extra storage flexibility. Great for holding pantry items, spices, toiletries, or cleaning supplies, this cart makes the most of every inch and keeps everything neatly organized. This 50-ounce hydrogen water pitcher is a fantastic pick for anyone looking to improve their hydration routine with a health-forward edge. It uses advanced SPE-PIM electrolysis technology to generate hydrogen-rich water, which some studies suggest may support antioxidant activity and overall wellness. The BPA-free build ensures your water stays clean and safe, while the calcium sulfite filter helps reduce impurities and balance pH levels. It's great for personal use, families, or even as a thoughtful wellness gift, and the sleek design fits nicely on any kitchen counter. Perfect for holiday feasts or everyday dinners, this electric carving knife makes slicing meats, bread, and even roasts quick and easy. It comes with 2 sharp, detachable carving blades and a matching serving fork, so you're ready to serve as soon as you're done cutting. The motor delivers consistent power for clean, uniform slices, and the ergonomic handle keeps your grip secure and comfortable during use. Whether you're prepping a turkey, a loaf of sourdough, or a rack of ribs, this tool saves you time and effort in the kitchen while giving professional-looking results. These airtight 2-liter food storage containers are a must-have for keeping your dry goods fresh and neatly organized. Each container features a secure sealing lid to keep moisture out, preserving the crispness of cereal, grains, flour, or pasta. What makes them especially convenient is the built-in pouring spout and included measuring cup, allowing for controlled servings and easy access without creating a mess. They're BPA-free, durable, and clear enough to see what's inside at a glance, perfect for streamlining your pantry or countertop. This large wooden pasta drying rack provides ample space for drying fresh homemade noodles, spaghetti, and other pasta varieties, ensuring they don't stick together while drying. The collapsible design allows for easy storage when not in use, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen, especially for those who love making fresh pasta from scratch. Its sturdy wood construction provides durability, while the multiple arms offer plenty of room for hanging pasta evenly, allowing for efficient air drying and consistent texture. More than just a cutting board, this smart food prep system is like having a sous chef in your kitchen. This set includes beautifully crafted walnut and wheat straw chopping boards, both with juice grooves to minimize mess. What sets it apart is the built-in digital scale and timer, making portion control and meal timing effortless. It's designed for people who want to eat healthier, cook more efficiently, or just upgrade their kitchen tools. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or cooking dinner on the fly, this system keeps your workflow clean, precise, and organized. It also makes an impressive gift for home cooks who love tech-savvy tools. Turn frozen fruit into creamy, delicious soft serve in seconds with this deluxe frozen treat maker. It's a must-have for anyone who's vegan, dairy-free, or just looking to enjoy healthier desserts at home. The 200-watt motor is powerful enough to handle frozen bananas, mangoes, berries, and more, creating a rich, ice cream-like texture without added sugar or dairy. The machine is easy to use and clean, making it a fun tool for kids and adults alike. It also includes 75 recipes for extra inspiration. Whether you're hosting a summer get-together or just want a quick sweet treat, this gadget delivers dessert with a guilt-free twist. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or using an air fryer, this wireless meat thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth and provides real-time updates through the companion app, so you can monitor temperatures and get alerts without hovering over the oven. The long-range signal is great for multitasking, and it's compatible with just about every cooking method: BBQ, smoker, oven, or stovetop. It's totally wire-free and sleek, with accurate temperature readings for perfect doneness every time. Great for beginners and pros alike, and the app includes delicious recipe suggestions to boot. This divided grill pan features 3 sections, allowing you to cook multiple foods at once without mixing flavors, making it perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The durable non-stick surface ensures easy food release and cleanup, while the square shape provides ample cooking space. Designed for use on various stovetops, including induction, it's free from PFOA, PFOS, and APEO, ensuring a healthier cooking experience with even heat distribution. If you're tired of clutter around your sink, this sleek and space-saving caddy is the perfect solution. The patented design features a strong stainless steel magnetic mount that securely attaches to your sink, holding sponges, brushes, and cloths without the need for suction cups or adhesives. It's ultra-hygienic with open slots for quick drying, helping to prevent mildew and odor buildup. This is especially great for compact kitchens, RVs, boats, or anywhere space is limited. Functional, modern, and easy to clean, it's a small upgrade that makes a big difference in keeping your sink area neat and organized. Maximize entertainment in compact spaces with this 15.6-inch flip-down TV designed for kitchens, RVs, and yachts. Featuring a 90-degree rotation for adjustable viewing angles, it tucks away neatly when not in use. The digital noise reduction ensures crisp picture quality, while the integrated storage design keeps it sleek and unobtrusive. Whether you're catching up on shows while cooking or adding convenience to your travel setup, this space-saving TV enhances your experience without taking up valuable counter space. A well-crafted charcuterie board adds a touch of elegance to any gathering, and this bamboo cheese board set is designed to impress. It features a spacious surface for arranging meats, cheeses, fruits, and crackers, making it a great choice for entertaining guests. The built-in compartments help keep everything neatly organized, while the durable bamboo construction ensures long-lasting use. Ideal for housewarming parties, weddings, or special occasions, this set brings both functionality and style to the table. Built for durability and performance, this cast iron citrus press extracts maximum juice with minimal effort, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Its heavy-duty construction makes squeezing oranges, lemons, and limes easy, while the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip that reduces strain on the hands. The sturdy stainless steel components resist rust and wear, ensuring long-lasting durability, while the easy-to-clean design simplifies maintenance. Whether used for fresh morning juice, cocktails, or adding citrus flavor to recipes, this squeezer delivers efficiency, reliability, and lasting quality for everyday use. Designed for effortless juicing, this electric citrus juicer features a pressure-activated system that extracts juice efficiently from oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits. The adjustable pulp control lets users customize the amount of pulp in their juice, catering to different preferences while ensuring a smooth and refreshing drink every time. With a dishwasher-safe design for easy cleanup and a compact 32-ounce capacity, this juicer is perfect for daily use, whether for morning citrus refreshment or adding fresh juice to recipes. Perfect for grilling enthusiasts, this set of 2 nesting grill baskets allows for easy cooking of vegetables, shrimp, and other small foods without them falling through the grates. The rolling grilling net design ensures even cooking, while the removable wooden handle provides a secure grip and stays cool to the touch, making outdoor cooking safer and more convenient. Crafted from 304 stainless steel for durability and rust resistance, these baskets are a must-have for backyard barbecues, camping trips, and anyone who enjoys perfectly grilled food with minimal hassle. This sparkling water maker brings convenience and versatility to home kitchens, allowing users to create fizzy, refreshing drinks with the push of a button. Compatible with any screw-in 60-liter CO2 carbonator, it offers an easy and eco-friendly alternative to store-bought sodas, reducing plastic waste while providing customizable carbonation levels. The included 1-liter carbonating bottle is designed for repeated use, making it a great choice for those who enjoy seltzer, flavored sparkling water, or homemade soda without unnecessary additives. A space-saving essential, this clip-on silicone pasta strainer securely attaches to pots and pans, allowing for easy and mess-free draining of noodles, vegetables, and other foods. Its heat-resistant design ensures safe handling, while the flexible silicone material makes it easy to store when not in use, eliminating the need for bulky colanders. Ideal for small kitchens or anyone looking for a quick and efficient way to strain food, this kitchen gadget simplifies meal prep while maintaining durability and ease of use. This rolling egg holder is a sleek and practical solution for organizing your fridge. Designed with a BPA-free stackable frame and a smooth rolling tray, it lets eggs slide forward as you remove them, so you always grab the oldest ones first. It holds up to 14 eggs and features a clear, removable lid, so you can easily see when it's time to restock. Its compact size and stackable design make it ideal for maximizing space in busy refrigerators. This manual food processor is a handy all-in-one chopper, shredder, and garlic press. It comes with a pull handle mechanism and multiple sharp blades that make quick work of onions, peppers, garlic, and more. The cover locks securely, minimizing mess while chopping, and the compact design is perfect for kitchens with limited counter space. Ideal for prepping stir-fries, sauces, or salad toppings, it's an excellent tool for everyday cooking or quick meal prep. Make shredded chicken the easy way with this twist-style meat shredder. Just place your cooked chicken breast in the device, twist the top, and get perfectly pulled meat in seconds. It's great for tacos, sandwiches, dips, or meal prep. The widened anti-slip mat keeps it stable while you work, and it's dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Simple, fast, and satisfying. This tool cuts down on kitchen time without sacrificing results. And lastly, turn food scraps into usable fertilizer with this smart indoor composter. It features a large 4-liter bin, odor-absorbing filters, and a digital timer display for easy operation. Quiet and efficient, it handles fruit peels, coffee grounds, veggie scraps, and more, turning them into compost in hours rather than weeks. With detachable carbon filters and a sleek design, it fits right on the kitchen counter and keeps odors in check. A great way to reduce waste and nourish your garden naturally. And that's a wrap. Who knew kitchen gadgets could be this entertaining? Whether you're after something practical or just want to spice up your setup, these finds definitely deliver. Let me know which one surprised you the most, and don't forget you can find all the links in the description down below.